don't be fired. But I'd like to wait a few days. You're patting him on the head with a guy. Music is so certified funky fresh. Yeah, we need something that will truly hit the gritty with these monsters.
Yes, we need something to lower the monsters into one place. Is a Fade House. Well, that's a good idea.
We'll deal with him later. First, we gotta deal with all these other monsters. Yeah. So when it takes out, nobody fight it. All the monsters hear how funky fresh the new monster mash is, they'll come over, so mash it. And while they're mashing, we can go in and arrest all of them.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan to me. Sure, that might work anyway. Ready? 3, 2, 1, mash. Yes, yes. Sure thing. Okay. Oh, yes.
Oh, shit. Alright.
Okay, okay.
Alright. Monster Mash.
Yes, yes. The Monster Mash. Oh no.
Alright, let's go check it out. I think we just shoot them. Well, since I think we killed them. How the hell they got all this cash? What do you think killing people pay that much? Oh, God, it did get it. Now, since I think what we should do is scoop up all this cash and get the this shit out of me.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Shake it, everybody. Of course they do, Simmons. Yes, shake it, everybody. Shake it.